Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my new channel. Today I will start the GUI coding series. I will show you how to create your own interface and integrate it in your project and use it as a GUI. If you like this series and if you want to support me, please leave a like and subscribe because it helps me a lot since I just started a new channel. And also join my Discord server if you have any questions or you want to look through any leaked sources or chat with the other developers. So thank you guys for watching and I'll get right into the video. So in today's video I want to show you what you need to be able to compile and use ImGUI, and you will need of course three things. So you will need Visual Studio 2019 is where the coding will happen. I believe if you are a developer you already have it, but I'll show you exactly what workloads you have to install in order to be able to compile ImGUI. Then we're going to install DirectX because ImGUI works with DirectX, or at least the example we're going to work on works with DirectX. And then we're actually going to install the ImGUI source and open it to see if everything is fine. So let's go ahead and install Visual Studio. Now, Visual Studio 2022 is released, but I'm gonna do my tutorials on 2019. If you want, you can use 2022 without a problem. The installation process should be similar. So here you have Visual Studio 2019 version 16.11, and you can download Community 2019. All the links will be in the description. You don't need to search for them like I do right now. So you're gonna press download Community 2019. Of course, I already have it downloaded, so it's gonna download something like that, VS Community. You're gonna open that. You're gonna wait a second for it to set up, and after that it's gonna open something like this. I'll show you in a second. It will open a Visual Studio installer, and on Visual Studio Community 2019 you will have an install button. I'll click modify since I already have it installed, but it's going to be the same process. And it's going to open you this menu right here, which has workloads, individual components, language packs, and installation locations. So let's go to workloads, and at web and cloud you don't need anything. For now, I recommend you installing ASP.NET and web developing for further projects we're going to do on this channel, but for ImGUI you don't need this. Then at desktop and mobile, you will need .NET desktop development with C++, and Universal Windows Platform development. These two are for my other projects, you don't need them. In gaming, you need game development with C++ because it's powered by DirectX, and that's one of the main things we need. And in other toolsets, we only need .NET cross-platform development. Now hold up, do not click install. You still have a bunch of individual components to install. Now you don't need all of these. These are the ones that I use, and some are for my other projects. I will leave them all in the description if you want to install them, but the main things you need, you're gonna need another Windows 10 SDK. So you're gonna search Windows 10 and get the latest SDK, and one more in case you have any errors. Why not? After that, we're gonna need the 141 build tools. So just search 141 and install the C++ CLA support for 141 build tools and the MSVC C++ x64-x86. And the same thing for 142 tools. Just now install the C++ CLang for 142 build tools, C++ CLA support for 142 build tools, and the MSVC 142 build tools. These ones, the C++ x64 and x86 build tools, latest. So this is everything you need. For now, I would recommend you to install everything you see here, and at workloads also install this because we're gonna need it in further projects, but for now you only need this. So after you selected everything I told you, click install and wait for Visual Studio to install. So I'll leave a second and come back to this video, or actually continue watching while it's installing. So the second thing you need is of course DirectX, because we're gonna work with it. Now you most likely already have DirectX without knowing, because most of the games today use DirectX, but I'll show you how to get it. So again, you'll have the link in the description, or you can type DirectX download and go here to Microsoft.com, first link, select language English and go ahead and download. DX web setup, you're gonna open file, click yes, it's gonna ask for admin permissions, and it's gonna open the setup for DirectX. Again, I already have installed the latest version, but you're gonna click I accept the agreement, click next, untick the Bing bar, you don't need it, and wait for it to install. Since it's already installed, it's probably gonna say something like you got a latest version or whatever, but I'll show you exactly what happens. So you're gonna let it install, whatever it shows to you, it's gonna be fine. Installation complete. DirectX setup has determined that a newer or equivalent version of DirectX has already been installed, so nothing to install. And the latest thing, you need the Imgui source code where we will work. So go to Imgui GitHub, again, link in the description. And once you're here, even though we're gonna work on examples, make sure to download everything. So we're gonna go here to code and download zip. Open the zip file and extract your folder named imgui master on desktop, like I'll do right now. And now we have everything we need in order to work with Imgui. Thank you guys for watching. This video I only showed you what you need to install, and in the next video we're gonna open the source, play around with a bit, and in the third video I'll start explaining option types and more of that interesting stuff, and we're gonna start coding in Imgui. Again, thank you for watching. If you liked my content, like and subscribe because it helps me a lot, and don't forget to join my Discord server. Alright, see ya later.